getting a job scheduled. So getting one in the queue for next week, adding another one to the lineup. So we're starting to knock them down, getting busy. It's a busy time of the year. Tax season, spring cleaning, had some storms. Everybody gets fired up, wants to get stuff done during spring break. Cold weather's over, so it's time to get after it. Everybody gets excited and gets moving this time of year. So what's up, James?
Do we have any openings next week?
I'm sure we do. Have you sent it in yet?
I'm about to. I was going to do that this he was aware.
Yeah, I can probably move crews around. So is there a particular day? It's always busy. So here we go again, another year of good times. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday?
I think any day next week would be fine.
All right, let's shoot for Tuesday.
Tuesday? Okay.
Yeah.
I'll let him know.
Let's shoot for Tuesday.
I'll turn it in this afternoon.
Okay, turn it in this afternoon. And let's try to get him done on Tuesday.
Tuesday. I got you. Thank you,
man. You got it. Let me see. It's 11:23. Our crew, our guys are out here getting this done. Our property owners are sitting across the street on the sidewalk, checking out what a good job we're doing. He's president of the Homeowners Association, so of course he's going to tell everybody in town what a great job we're doing. Again, here's the cool part. It is 11:23. We had the whole roof system torn completely off, everything put back. As you can see, they're putting the finishing touches on it now. We might have another 30-45 minutes here, and we'll be complete and out of their hair. So we got here this morning. We're wrapped up and finished at lunchtime. So by the time people have breakfast, decide what they're having for lunch, we have your whole roof system torn off and put back. It's a pretty cool concept. People can't realize how quickly we get this done and how professional we are. So when we're done, people won't even know we were here other than new roof, and we'll be out of their hair by lunchtime. Nice. What's up, fellas? I'm Andrew. How are you?
Good. That's funny.
Y'all have the good life, man. Sitting out here smoking cigarettes. Yeah, hey, somebody's got to be in charge around here. I appreciate y'all. What's up, brother?
How you doing, sir?
Good. Happy birthday. Hey,
I'm starting to get my ears.
Happy birthday to Lucky Charms here. This is our little leprechaun.
That's right.
Hey, he was born right at St. Patrick's Day, so.
March.
Yeah.
The March baby.
So, guys, we're putting on a lifetime roof up here from Atlas. And if you look across the street, they have a 3-tab roof. That is made to withstand 60-mile-an-hour winds. And the other day, we had 75, 80, 90-mile-an-hour winds here in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex. And if you look right here, what we're putting up here will handle a sustained wind of 110 miles an hour. So 110 mile an hour versus 60, it's almost double the wind speed. And here in DFW, we frequently have these roofs that have shingles blown off everywhere because the builders build these homes and they're trying to save a few dollars. So they put these really cheap roofs on here, and as soon as we have high winds come through, it blows them all off. And then the insurance company tries to come out and do patchwork and repairs. Well, we come out and meet insurance companies, and we're able to get these things for full replacement, and then we turn around and automatically upgrade at no charge to a lifetime laminate roof up there. That's what we put up here on these folks' house today. So that way they don't have wind problems anymore. How do you say it in Spanish, Gordo?
Yeah, you gotta stay in shape, man. Round is a shape.
Hey, that's what I say. Hey, I'm joining the crowd, bro.
Yeah, fully embrace the dad bod.
Hey, me too. They said it was a thing. I'm like, finally, I fit into the mold.
Hey, it was good meeting you, though.
Yeah, you too, brother. I'll see you on the next one. I appreciate you. Hey, make sure my clients are out here. Make sure we do a phenomenal job on cleanup, attention to details, how I built my reputation. Okay. It's very, very important that people are going to get up, they'll look at the roofs, but what they really pay attention to is the details on the ground.
The cleanliness.
Yeah, so I always tell people that's where we're strong.
Yeah, I'll do another, like a couple walkthroughs with nails and trash, and then after, I feel like we're there, I'll take pictures and send it over to Travis and make sure everything's squared away. Thank you very
Sounds
much.
good, brother. I appreciate it. Enjoy your weekend. Thank you. So as you can see, cheap builder grade roofs over here. These folks haven't changed their roof system yet. If so, they used other roofers other than Swat. Here you can see lifetime laminated roof, lifetime architectural style roof, both the same. So these folks won't have to worry about high winds anymore. High winds are out of the equation for these folks unless they have a tornado come through. High winds are not going to affect these roof systems at all. Now, we have a major hailstorm come through. that's 1 inch or larger, that's a whole different discussion. These roofs are not going to protect against that. Most people's roofs are not, unless you have a class 4 or some other type of roof system on your structure. But these lifetime laminated roofs are the way you want to go. We don't put anything up there on that roof system that's lesser value than what that roof system is. A lot of roofers will. They'll tear it off and put back the same builder grade roof that's up there, and then they have wind problems, and they don't put their money where their mouth is and back their product and their workmanship up with a long warranty. Like we have the best warranty in the business, 10 years, bumper to bumper. So, you know, if there's any problems with this roof systems that's non-weather related, meaning major catastrophe, for the next 10 years, we take care of it, and lifetime on the product. So we have a great relationship with the manufacturer, the people who make the shingles. Say, hey man, listen, you guys do such a good job. We're willing to put lifetime warranty on these roofs, which is unheard of in our business. And here's what I'll tell you. If you go out and you see some little flipped up shingles and you get somebody to come out, there's a lot of guys running around in their vehicles that tell you, oh yeah, we'll just do a minor repair for you here and there. Imagine being in the Band-Aid business. If you have a broken leg and you keep going up to the customer and saying, oh, you just need another Band-Aid, you need another Band-Aid, how awesome is that? If you're in the Band-Aid business, there's nothing better than what we call high winds in the roofing business, because everybody becomes a roofer overnight. Their shingles, they get up there and do a repair for $200, $300, $500, and they're not actually fixing the problem, guys. They're putting a Band-Aid on a broken leg. But if you're in a Band-Aid business, how great is that? They don't have the crews, they don't have the insurance, they don't have the knowledge of doing what we do. So you get a couple of guys in a pickup running around, they're doing roof repairs everywhere, and every time high winds come through, they're back out there fixing the same thing. Why do you guys continue to call the same people over and over to do minor repairs? Why don't you come call somebody like us to fix it right the first time? That way, most of our clients don't circle back unless there's a major catastrophic event in their lives. Otherwise, we put one roof system on and you're done with us. That's it, you're finished. So if you want to keep being in the Band-Aid business and having these guys come out over and over, and every 6 months or a year you're out here and having them doing more and more repairs, that issue's never going to go away until you fix it right. So that's what we do here at Swat. We're going to do it right, or we're not going to do it. So if you want the right roof system on your property, give us a call. You know how to get a hold of us.